Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Mag 7 shotgun right here. Here it is. So please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. Yeah, here it is. So first you need a square sheet of paper like so, and you want to make a boat base. So first I'm going to be folding a water bomb base. Then I'm going to sink the top of it to make the boat base. Okay, so first you want to fold it in half like so. Then you want to fold it in half again like this. Okay, then you want to open up this pocket right here. Then you want to fold that down like that. Then you want to flip it over to the other side and do the same thing on this side as well. So you want to open up this pocket, then you want to fold that down. Okay, and now you want to bring this point right here all the way to this edge. So you want to fold this in half, so make sure it lines up with the center, and at the edge right there, then make a good crease because you're going to be sinking this triangle inside. Okay, so unfold that, then open up the whole model right there. Then you see that smaller square in the middle, so you're going to sink that inside. Okay, so first you want to fold up all the crease line on the side. Okay, like that. Then you want to fold. You see the crease line in the middle. So you want to fold those down. So follow the crease line. Okay. And now you're going to fold this in half. So bring the bottom edge, see the shorter edge, to the back side. Okay, and up like that. Okay, and now this is going to be the back side, and this is the front side. Okay, so you want to fold the back side in half, make a crease in the middle, just up to that center crease line. Okay, like that, and make it well. So press it down a little bit. Okay, then unfold that. Then you want to fold the bottom flap all the way down. So this is going to be the grip. Okay, like that. And now you see this triangle right here. You want to fold in that triangle. Okay, so I'm going to pre-crease it. So up to that corner there. Okay, then open up the pocket right here. Then fold in that triangle inside. Okay, And now you see that crease line that we just folded. Can see it right there. Okay, you see this back side, you're gonna sink this inside, okay? So kind of open up, kind of pull this down a little so you can see that triangle right there. And you're gonna fold up those crease lines right up to that triangle, okay? This side as well. This little it's less visible. It's at the tip of my tongue. Okay? And now you're going to fold right across. Right there. Okay, then fold this down. And now you're going to fold that triangle inside, but just leave a little bit of space in between that corner. Okay? So hold right there, give a little space, and fold in that triangle. Or you can pre-crease it as well. So not up to that corner, but leave a little space there. So the stock is a bit longer. Okay, like so. Then fold this inside. Okay. And fold this up to the front, and you see this corner on top. Fold it right up to the grip right there. Okay, at the back of the grip. Or you can even do this. Okay, then zigzag fold it back. Like so. And fold this in half, so bring this bottom edge right up to the top. Like that. Fold it back down. And fold this and a slant like that. So slant that back. And now fold the edge up right there. Okay? So if you look in the back side. Okay? And now you see this bottom flat right here. Pull this all the way down until this corner touches the bottom edge. Okay? Like that. And you want to fold in this triangle, so you want to pre-crease it if you want. I usually don't. But crease the triangle like that and unfold it. Then open up this pocket right here and fold this inside. Like so. Okay, then you're going to make the barrel. Okay, so where that corner is, you're going to fold this back and zigzag fold it back forward like that. Then fold in the edge, okay, towards the center. So about third way, like that. So this should equal the same width as these. Okay, and same thing here, bring this up. Okay, and fold in this triangle. Okay, so open up this pocket and just fold that inside, or you can pre-crease it, of course. That, and now bring this bottom edge all the way up like that, just up to the barrel. And you see this flap, bring it to the front. Okay, so flip it up to the front and swing this forward like that, and fold this in half. So it should look like this. Okay, and now you're gonna kind of bend it in the middle and give it a little curve, okay, to shape out the pump. It should look like this. See? You gotta put some little elbow grease into it. Shape it up, that. Okay, and now fold. First, I think you want to do the stock, so fold the edge down. Okay, just up to the corner. And kind of shape out the stock. And now you want to fold that top edge back, okay? So just a little bit of that edge. And you want to fold up the corners to make the sight, okay? So you see those back corners for the back, the rear sight, and the front corner for the front sight. So here it is, my Mag 7 shotgun. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.